Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial where I show you how to refund items on Roblox, or the process of how to do that. First things first, just understand that the sooner you can request the refund after purchase, the better. If this is something you purchased months ago or years ago, you're not going to get a refund. This is for both currency like Robux, as well as items you purchase in experience or in a game itself. So what you want to do is, first and foremost, look at your transactions. Go up to where you see the Robux icon in the right-hand corner here. Click on that, and you're going to see an option that says My Transactions. If you click into that, you're going to see a list of transactions. You'll see a summary. You'll see currency purchases. You'll see just regular purchases. You can sort these and filter these however you want, right? There used to be an option to click on a purchase after you made it to initiate a refund. Now you actually have to take a couple more steps. So go ahead and find the purchase, whether it be in experience or a currency purchase, and you want to go to the website www.roblox.com/support. Once you're here, you'll be presented with the Contact Us form. It doesn't take very long, just understand that. And make sure you're logged into your account, obviously. Here's the username on my daughter's account right here. And then you're going to go ahead and put in an email address that you want them to respond to. So this is going to be a parent or guardian or main email that you want notification of approval or disapproval of the refund. So go ahead and put in an email there. And then go ahead under Issue Details. What device are you having the problem on? So wherever they made the purchase, whether it be an iOS device, Android, console, whatever. I'm going to do iPad for my daughter's purchase. And then type of help category, select the drop-down menu, and you want to choose the one that says Purchases Using Robux right here. And then go to select the drop-down menu here, and you'll have two options. One of them is a website item, like from the avatar shop via Robux. And then the next is an in-experience or in-game item. So we're just going to say website item from the avatar store. And then this is the most important part here. I've already typed it up. Under description of issue, you need to put something that says, I would like to request a refund for the item, and then put the item name with the experience if that's necessary. And then put like, my daughter accidentally purchased this without me knowing. That's my excuse. Whatever yours is, you put here. And then you put the total spent was how much you spent here, either via Robux or actual currency like US dollars. And then it says here, I want to make sure that you request that refund as soon as you purchase it as possible, because the longer that goes by, the less likely you are to actually get a refund. Once you do this, you want to click continue, and you'll have to fill out a CAPTCHA here, and then there'll be a CAPTCHA here for you to work on like a puzzle. So make sure you go ahead and do that first. Make sure that's the next step you take, and then wait a day or so. I found that it took a couple of hours last time I issued a refund, and it worked flawlessly. So you just fill out this form, you'll get an email, and then when you go back to your transactions, right next to the transaction that was refunded, you'll see in parentheses or in like minus symbols here, you'll see the amount, and it'll say refund, or it'll say account amount refunded. It'll be right here under your transactions. If you have any further questions, put those in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. If it helped you, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.